The Super General 20,000 BTU 3-in-1 portable air conditioner is designed to be modern and sleek and can easily fit in any room. The 4 rolling caster wheels ensure easy mobility. The practical 3-in-1 function allows you to use this unit not just as an air conditioner, but also as a dehumidifier or a cooling fan. Compact and efficient, it is ideal for small to medium-sized living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, shops, restaurants, or cafes. The exhaust pipe can easily be attached to any window or door, which throws out the hot air from the room, ensuring full efficiency and optimum cooling. This AC comes with easy-to-clean antibacterial air filter, 100% copper pipes, fan mode, sleep mode, and a 24-hour timer for easy operation. This portable air conditioner is equipped with no drip technology, meaning the water is recycled internally. The T3 rotary compressor is energy efficient, and the R410A refrigerant environment friendly. It also has a full function remote with LED display. This compact air conditioner, an ideal combination of performance, convenience, and safety from Super General. Super experts at cooling.